Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow. And in this workflow, we'll be pulling in the data with some criterias from this AP reservoir report. So the criteria here is to get the listing, all the names from this list in column in column C. And then based on this date, count if there is any date, any daily report available for a particular date for a particular name. So this is what we have done. We have created a list of all unique names in this column, which will update automatically if there will be a new name on the AAP reservoir report. Then we are checking for each and every date from the starting to end date. And that is also a dynamic thing. You can see it is checking for the minimum date and maximum date. Currently, the minimum date is 22nd August 2022 to 7th February 2024. And this will accommodate up to 1,000 days. That means 3 to 4 years, which we can always extend as well. And based on this date ranges, we are creating a list of the date, which will obviously automatically update once if there is a new date update available on the AEP reservoir sheet. Like if there will be a November or December 2024, this date will extend itself. So this is all automatic. You have nothing to do. No modification required for that thing. Then we have created a list of all the names in here, which is exactly the same listing, but in a transpose way on a column based. So if there will be a new name, that will jump in here automatically, and it will go up to AC column to here. So it means we have a room for 9 more names. I hope there will not be a nine names, but on a safe side, initially we have only 8 names, but more than the double numbers are already available. So if there will be new names, 9 more names, those will automatically update. But if there will be 10 new names, we need to make some space for those. And then against each name and each date, we are checking if any dates, any count, or any daily report is available, which is any entry available in this column against these names. Like for example, for this name on 22nd August, we have 4 reports available. Similarly, for the same name on 23rd, we have 5 reports, whereas on 24th of August, we do not have any report available against this name. So this is we are going to count. Okay, there are 2 daily reports available, but these are not available. So we will be counting all of these zeros, and then we'll be calculating those in here. So no daily report sent are 382 for this name, 153 are sent report, and yes, the total will always be the same because the column names are same. So either there will be there are 535 days from 22nd August to 7th February 2024. So this is how we are calculating things, and these are all formula based, and you have nothing to do. But if there will be more than 9 names extra, like apart from these 8 names, if there will be more than 9 names, then we need to accommodate those by stretching the formula on the right side, and that's it. And this is how the tabulated form from left to right is shown on the vertical way. So this name has sent 153 reports out of 535 days from 22nd August 2022 to 7th February 2024, and 382 days were 382 days when there were no reports available or no dates available against this name. So it means the report not sent for 382 days, whereas for 153 days only. Similarly, for the other names, now that's it from whatever I have done so far. But if you want to see a chart or a graphical way, maybe a sorted listings, maybe you want to see the highest report sender or the highest report missing against the name, or maybe top 2 or top 3. So whatever your requirement is, please do let me know if you have any. So far, we are working on the same offer, I guess. So please do let me know if you have anything in mind, extending that too, or if you find any ambiguity, or maybe if you want to have a session with me so that we can discuss one to one and clarify things and expedite the process so that we can complete this as soon as possible. So looking forward for your response. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.